Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to New Sudbury, one of the busiest and most well-known neighborhoods in Greater Sudbury, Ontario. Located in the city's northeast, it's a hub for shopping, dining, and community life. The history of New Sudbury goes back to the mid-1900s, when farmland and open space were developed into new housing to meet the needs of a growing city. Over the years, it has grown into a thriving mix of residential streets, schools, and commercial areas. Its location makes it a convenient gateway to both downtown and the surrounding suburbs. Whether you're here to shop or explore the neighborhood's many amenities, New Sudbury always has something going on. Thank you for joining us on this tour of New Sudbury, Ontario. Thanks for watching.